Futures J1K. Rich off contracts, man. Back at it again, giving you guys another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be going over the trades that I've taken so far this week. I've only taken maybe 3 or 4 trades this week. One of them hit, was a banger. They're all on NQ. Beautiful trades. I got some good news and some bad news. So the bad news is I kind of went on tilt and crashed out just a little bit. And that combined with the copy trader messing up made me crash out just a little bit more. Second time the copy trader has been messing up on my accounts. The second time, they didn't do anything about it the first time because it didn't result in a loss. But this one resulted in a loss. So I need that now. So let me show you guys a trade that sent me on tilt. Look at this. Take a look at this, right? This is a trade I took in the overnight session during London. So as you guys can see, we have a clean trend line right here. You know, we got our fair value gap right here. We broke below that trend line, and I took my entries right here once we got that retest of this 5-minute area of interest. I took my sell positions right here, came down, and then it stopped me out by 1 tick. $1 came and took me out, and then immediately, I'm talking about immediately, went straight to my TP. So that sent me on tilt just a little bit. You guys can understand, right? So once we got a pullback, I kind of took just a little FOMO trade. I took another sell right here, right at the 50% of this downward range, expecting it to continue lower, and it ultimately just shot all the way back up, stopped me out. So now I'm down like 400, 600 at this point. I took a break. I reassessed the situation, and I realized, okay, we came back, we respected this 5-minute SMA, and we have a rejection off of it with some accumulation right here. And then boom, we got a bearish engulfing candlestick. We're in a bearish trend, and I know we're going to go down. So boom, I took my sell positions right here, stops above this high, targeted this low all the way down here, and that ultimately hit and put me $600 in profit from the 600 that I was down. So $1,200 win right here. Beautiful trade. Copy trader messed up on this trade. So these obviously took my losses. But as soon as I get into a winning trade where it obviously hits TP, because you can see the close arrow, you can see the open arrow, I obviously won this trade. Boom, up 600 on this account. But if we go to my copy traded accounts, boom, how does that work? How does that literally work? Boom, same thing. How does that work? How does that work? I took the exact same trade. So I contacted support again for the 124th time to resolve this issue, because the first time they didn't do it because it didn't result in a loss, but this one did. So just give me my money. But with that being said, I think we should pay ourselves. So we're going to go ahead and take a payout on this account. I'm up 4K on this account specifically, on my leader, and on my followers. I think I'm up like 1,000 and 1,500 on another one. So we're going to go ahead and pay ourselves while we wait for this issue to get resolved. And hopefully they can take my losing trades off, because that wasn't my fault as far as the copy trading. Because if you're going to take my losses, at least take my wins too. How are you going to mess up when I'm about to make profit? Make all my losses back. Oh no, we're not going to give it to you this time. Doesn't make sense. So yeah, that was the bad thing. The good thing is we're taking a payout, and we're going to take a max payout on this account. Pretty sure the max payout for this account is $1,500. So we're going to take every bit of that 1,500 out. So I'm going to show you guys how that looks. So if we go to the Alpha platform, you can see we got all our accounts right here, our 3 active qualified accounts. Don't worry about the inactive ones. These are challenges that were failed. So I have 0 winning days left for this account, which is the one we're going to take a payout on. And we have this one. I just need 1 more winning day. I have $1,000 on this, and I have 1,500 on this account with 0 winning days as well. So I just got to hit the consistency rule to be able to take a payout on this. I want to get them to at least 3K before I take a payout on them. That way I can get a max payout. But yeah, I do have a little bit more profit on these accounts after they correct the losses that happen with a copy trader. But 248 is the account we're going to take a payout on. So we're going to go down here to payout. We're going to go to 248. That's the account we're working with. My payment method is WISE. The withdrawal amount, we're going to take 1500. And reason, I don't know. Just give me my money. That's the reason. Okay, so we got the 248 account. Payment method is WISE. Withdrawable amount 1500, and the reason is just gonna be because I want my money. So we're gonna go and submit that. And boom, your payout has been successfully requested. You will be notified within 24 business hours. So boom, that's how it is. That's how it works. We got that payout requested, 1500 to the bank. After payout split, it'll probably be like 1350. So I think it's 150. That's 10% of 1500. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, we're gonna take that, invest it, or get some more challenges, get some more accounts, pass those, continue to scale. We should be taking a payout toward the end of this week or early next week on the other two accounts. I just got to build those up a little bit more, and we're going to take it home, man. 1500 to the bank profit for this week already. Let's get it.